careful! You broke a nail! The whole set, actually. We can always use an extra hand around the house. The more the merrier. And with all these hands, it's time to get snapping. Poor Enid. Now Wednesday if you want to start popping. We've got plenty of bubble wrap. And we can fill it up as much as you want. Can't forget the whitehead. What else can we add? Using what you've got on hand. Very frugal. Just like Grandmama used to whip up. Just her type. Tall, dark, and spooky. Especially the last two. Well, every girl needs to have a few secrets. And these stylish red glasses are just the thing to help. Instant privacy without having to buy a lock. Superman wishes he had X-ray vision like this. Well, this'll make public speaking a little easier. Either we raise money for art class, or we improvise. Hey, Enid, old buddy. Now you don't need to pluck those pesky nose hairs. Now time to make art. Such a perfectly putrid shade of green. Eat me? Well, if it worked for Alice. Ooh, well, on the bright side, at least you're not shrinking. And besides, this looks like an easy fix. Cut out a shape and add some color. Besides, why be Alice when you can be the Queen of Hearts? Enid, would you like a bib? Or maybe a shower? Don't worry, Wednesday has come prepared. This waterproof shirt will protect you from stains. And you can finally wear white after Labor Day. Uh-oh, people should really watch where they're going. Sure, she likes dirt and grime, but it's the principle of the thing. Then again, she's been meaning to give her shoes a new look. Forget diamonds. Spikes are a girl's best friend. Okay, everyone, make like a shoe and start stepping. Nothing wrong with enjoying a little screen time. Guess you should probably wait until after class. Or get creative, like with this crafty new phone case. Gym class is always better with snacks. Hey, it's a source of energy. Fine, back to her workout. Like she didn't bring backup candy. That should carry her over till next period. Nah, little more shouldn't hurt. Thing has a brand new toy for us. A toy printer. Add an image in need of a makeover. Wow, though I was kind of expecting some color. Run it through again. Oh no! I've never seen something so horrifying! An organized life is a happy… well, never mind. Might as well help. Look, a Pop It toy! You know, if we take a few of these, maybe sew them alongside each other, we can make a brand new knapsack. What are we gonna do for the handle? Knew these garters would come in handy. Looking good. This should stop all that crying.
Wow!
Don't forget to thank her. I was kind of thinking cash. Thread ain't free. try stretching them as far as you can. Though she'd probably prefer if they did break. Not that throwing them at the wall isn't a lot of fun, too. Besides, you can practically race them. Let's see who can hit the floor first. Always good to have a few meals between snacks. Hey, what happened to our balanced lunch? We need to beef up security with the help of our little friend here. Our grabby classmates might not want cockroaches in their diet. Maybe if we're lucky, she won't ask for a hall pass. Good idea. Tracking in all that dirt's a great distraction. Why must Wednesday's child be full of woe? Don't worry. Here's just the thing to help. And look what he brought. A shoe cover. What you waiting for? Time to show the class your new kicks. Let's give the teacher a closer look. Just pretend it's show and tell. Time for the big math test. Wednesday's a natural, though she's better at subtracting than adding. I guess Wednesday wants something a little more challenging. Fortunately, more questions are just a stamp away. Look at all those questions. Let's hope there's some division. Something tells me Wednesday's great at dividing things, too. Out of paper? Well, time to roll up your sleeves. I'd be careful taking a nap around here. Someone might think you're due for a makeover. Aw, is she blushing or is it just me? Funny, usually she's the one giving out black eyes. Though I don't think she'd mind all those new teeth. Time to wake up, Sleeping Beauty. At least she's in good company. Wow, a perfect circle. No wonder she likes him. Then again, where's a compass when you need one? Well, if we don't have one, we can always make one. Just tape your marker to a pair of scissors. And voila! Hey, that's French. It's a perfect circle. This purse is a mess. Let's trade up for something smaller. Just take some paper and start folding it up. It's kind of like making a paper fan. Just add some more paper to cover it up. Let's personalize it. Look, it's a unicorn. And look at all those pockets. Time to start filling them up. Wednesday doesn't do rainbows. She prefers monochrome. Let's start from scratch and whip up some new paper. Collect some pieces together. Now we'll need some water. We're gonna need some more. Yeah, that should do it. Stir it up like a witch at her cauldron. And pour the slush onto the machine. Close it up and start cranking away. Now, let's see how our piece of parchment came out. A pair of bones is more her style, but there's no room for a skull. Looks like we need to start from scratch. Tickle, tickle! Okay, can someone spare a belt? Wednesday-rific stuff. Catch you next time!